Well, look what just came in the mail. Let's unbox this thing, shall we? All right, so let's get this packaging off, shall we? Very nice. Okay. More layers. Like some extra protection. Right. Holy moly, they really wrapped this thing. Feels like my birthday, y'all. Woo! All right. Ooh, we got two of them. Let's see. Thought they were only sending me one. Ooh, that's a fat boy. Right, box is looking good. Yes, we have an embossed. Look at that. I don't know if you can see that, but it feels real good. There's an emboss on that guy, on the sun, and then woo, got those red edges. Nice. Let's check the print quality on these. Okay, dang. Fresh deck. Yes. I brightened up the colors on these ones a little bit, and they look just so good. They feel really great as well. Nice. Got some new cards in here too. Let's see if we can find them here. I think they're alphabetical. Wow. Yes. Dang. Still kind of sticky on the edges. Ooh, here's a new one. I haven't shown anyone yet. I remade the Retrace Your Steps card. Look at that. Yeah. Dang, these are good, y'all. I am pleased. I wish the emboss on the front cover was a little more dramatic. It feels really good though. Book looks really good. Just so nice. Yes. It's a couple low grade images on there I'll have to fix up, but dang. Special thanks to all the people on Kickstarter. Wow. Right, y'all. I am beyond pleased. The Mercury Oracle. Yes, it's time, y'all. I'm gonna make a couple changes and then get these things ordered en masse. See you soon.